Oh, well. I thought we were done. All right, we're on a new chapter, everybody. It's called Behuko Tai in my statutes. Remember what Balak counseled. 1. My people, remember now what Balak, king of Moab, counseled.
I don't see the recording sign here. Is it up?
Yes.
Okay, I just want to make.
It's probably because you're in full screen.
Probably, yeah.
Happy is this. My people, remember now what Balak, king of Moab, counseled, and what Balaam, son of Beor, answered him. Happy is this people whose master rebukes them so. Even though you have strayed off the path, you are my people, and I do not wish to repay you according to your deeds.
Happy is the nation whose master tells him, my people, what have I done to you, and how have I worried you? Answer me, what did Balak, king of Moab, counsel? He considered obliterating you from the world by several words and deeds. He has awakened against you several spells.
Three, the Creator said to Israel, remember now, woe, for we cry every day. We weep and we cry. Remember, O Lord, what has befallen us. Remember, O Lord, against the children of Edom. Yet he does not wish to watch over us. This is because he requested of us. Remember now, as a request, and he did not watch over him. This is why we cry, remember, O Lord, what has befallen us. Remember, O Lord, against the children of Edom. Remember your congregation, which you have purchased of old. Remember me, O Lord, when you favor your people, yet he does not wish to watch over us.
Certainly, the Creator always watches over us and remembers us. And if he did not watch over Israel and remember us, they would not endure in exile even one day, as it is written. And yet, for all that, when they are in the land of their enemies, since the Creator does not do with us as we do.
Five, Balak was wise. In his deeds he was the greatest of the wizards, greater than Balaam. I learned that everything that one wishes for in this world, in the work of the Creator, he should awaken with an act below. This is so because with the act below, the act above is awakened, and the act below should be in holiness. And where there is no act, there is speech, and the awakening of the act above depends on the words of the mouth. As we need to evoke the higher holiness with deeds and words, those who come from the side of impurity should awaken their side with deeds and with words.
And although Balaam was the greatest of all the wizards in the world, Balak was a greater wizard than him. Since in magic, Balak was greater than the sages, and Balaam was great with the serpent. Magic and serpent are 2 degrees. Magic depends on action, and the serpent does not depend on action, but on observation and the words of the mouth. And then the spirit of impurity awakens upon them to clothe in them, and it does what it does.
Israel are all holy, and all their actions are to evoke upon them the spirit of holiness upon themselves, as it is written, until the Spirit be poured upon us from on high. This is why it is written, for there is no enchantment with Jacob, neither is there any divination with Israel, since Israel grip onto the side of the high sanctity. Their deeds come in holiness, and holiness awakens upon them, and they clothe in it. I'd like to find that synagogue.
Balak was greater than all the sages in magic. Balaam with the serpent. Hence, when Balak wished to bond with him, it is written, and the elders of Moab and the elders of Midian departed with the rewards of divination in their hands, and words of the mouth. Balaam was greater than all the wizards in the world. By the look of that serpent, he knew how to set the hour and curse, and for this reason his curses came true. For this reason, Balak wished to complement it with a spell and a serpent, and this is why he bonded with him.
The Creator told him, "Wicked, but my sons preceded you. There is an act among them that all the evil sides and evil kinds and all the spells in the world cannot draw near them. They all run from him. This is the tent of meeting, and the holy vessels, and the instruments of the temple, and the incense that revokes any anger and irritation in the world from above and from below, and offerings and sacrifices every day, and 2 altars to do the work of sacrificing, and a table, and the showbread, and the laver and its base, the laver and its base, and several tools for action for the words of the mouth, which are the ark and the 2 tables of the Torah, and Aaron who atones for the whole nation every day with prayer. Since that wicked looked at it, he said, for there is no enchantment with Jacob, neither is there any divination with Israel, since the Lord is his God is with him, and the shouting for the king is among them.
Lahaim.
So we'll start on item 10.
Yeah.
Okay.
Page 2, item 10.
Good. Oh. All right, I should be able to get to church now and do all that stuff. Oh, I'll turn off this recording. Bye, everybody. See you next time.